Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful and stylish ideas, crochet fashion styles and crochet ideas like different and latest crochet garment style, dressing up garment style and fashion looks, designs for girls and women, and here are some ideas. Crocheting a shirt can be a more advanced and time consuming project, but the result can be truly trending. Here are a basic overview of how to crochet a shirt and different latest ideas and styles, designs, and vibrant color and eye-catching look. More and different latest ideas, styles, designs. So I hope you like it, my video and my designs. Here are basic ideas, fashion styles, jackets, women and girls, latest and beautiful styles, designs like shirts, dress, and determining your size and perfect fit measures and your breast, waist and hips. You take note of your desired length. Create a huge swatch to ensure your stitch tension and matches the pattern. Find a crochet shirt pattern that matches your style and skill level. Pattern may be available in books, magazine or online platform like Ravelry or different latest ideas. Typically, crochet shirts are worked from the top down, starting with the yoke, shoulder area. Follow the pattern instruction for the needle, chain and stitch setup for the yoke. After completing the yoke, you will work the body of the shirt, increasing or decreasing stitches as need to shape the garment. And according to the pattern, pay attention to stitch pattern changes and shaping instruction. So I hope you liked my video. Crocheting a shirt allows for customization. You can choose a different stitch pattern and less work, or incorporate color charges to make the shirt unique. Once the body of the shirt is complete, finish of your work and weave in any loosey ends. You can also add buttons, zipper or other closures.